Hello everybody, Matt England from England Expeditions going to give you a Lake Shelbyville fishing report for March 26th, 2021. Today's lake level was 599, water temperature was 49 degrees, water clarity was less than a foot. The crappie mood was still a little shaky. We sure had to grind it out again today like we had to on Wednesday. The fish weren't as spooky, but they just weren't as actively chasing the baits. We did have some fantastic action right off the live scope. Watch that fish come in there and hammer it and get to be able to boat flip it. But like I said, they weren't as spooky, but they weren't as actively hungry. So I do think that as the next couple of days come on, we do have a better chance of catching fish each and every day. We got that lake level starting to stabilize, the water temperatures starting to stabilize pretty decent, and the water clarity, you know, I do think it's getting to be about as dark as it's going to be, minus any future rainfall that we do have. So we're targeting the fish from 12 to 16 feet. We're marking a bunch of fish. They just weren't as active, so we'd go from place to place, catch 2 or 3 here, 2 or 3 there. And, you know, at times we'd catch a couple real quick and you think, okay, we got the bait, we got the location, we got the water column, but it just kind of shut off. So once that happens, you got to relocate and start that process all over again. So we used everything in the tackle box today. We didn't have a hot color that we just went to exclusively. We even brought minnows today. That seemed to help a little bit. So we got wax worms, minnows, hair jigs, plastics, and just go out there, work your spots, work them thoroughly. Look for those fish on the satelliting, on the exterior of those structures. Those tend to be your more active fish typically. So whenever you do see those fish on the outside of that structure, toss it out there and get some action on that bait, because the active fish will like an active bait, and that active fish will find that bait if there's one active on that pile. So get out here, fish hard, fish thorough, have fun, try different profiles, different colors, and different techniques, but just most importantly, have fun. You know, it wasn't the best day that we've ever had on the lake, but I'll tell you what, our attitudes were positive. We left the lake positive. Had a decent mess of fish for the guys to clean. So when you come out here, just know that you may have to work a little harder, especially in the beginning of the season. You know, March and April can be a little tough day to day, but the fish are there. They're going to be active sooner than later. So bring your favorite fishing partner, your favorite pole, jigs, everything. Get out here, enjoy yourself, and please bring a young adult. Introduce them to this beautiful sport of fishing and keep that legacy going. So until next time, it's Matt England from England Expeditions signing out.